Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the CRKT Cuatro here with me, Roger's design. Really interesting knife, but yeah, the action is not, you see, there's no free fall. You have to wiggle like vigorously to get this guy closed shut. So let's see if we can improve the action right over here. So we're gonna need the T8 for the pivot. Let's try on presentation side. Very nicely Loctited, very good. So in this case we are going to need another T8 bit, which is this guy. It's a T6 and that's our T8 right over here. Let's try with this stubby here. Oh, pivot is not spinning. Very good. That's very nice. And then we're gonna need a T6 for the handle screws, right? Let's see, just be gentle. They seem like kind of Loctited in place and of course spinning, so we're gonna need two of these. All right, so that's one and that's the second one. So let's just do this and here, just keep this in place and just unscrew that. It's coming out from the back scale, not a biggie, like that. This is out, and second handle screw right over here. It's coming out from the front. No problem, right here. So it's a very simple construction, guys. I really like these the Rogers designs. I'm digging it. Too bad that it's pretty hard to find. The customs, I mean, are pretty hard to find, and they cost a pretty penny. So, but I'm looking forward to getting some of those. All right, let's see. Here we have hardened steel washer up against the scale, of course, and we have a set of ball bearings. You got some shavings here, but here, interestingly, the washer is up against the blade. That is very interesting. I wasn't expecting that, because usually the washers are up against the scale, which here is steel. And there's some grease onto the bearing, which was probably causing the action to be bad. I think we can do something better right over here, and let's just clean these guys up like so. And somebody's banging outside. Very nice. Yeah, let's clean the pivot like so. Very good. And let's just give it a nice clean in the bearing socket. There's the scale like this. Not too bad. All right. Interesting, there's pocket lint in this brand new, allegedly brand new CRKT. All right, that's cool. This is all done, all clean. Pivot is nicely D-shaped, nicely keyed in. So that is good. Okay, everything is clean. And let's just put this guy back together. Oops, I'm seeing a plastic washer right over here. And just another stop in. It just fell, but this is interesting. That's gonna be interesting because I honestly have no clue where that came from. Very good. So let's see, let's do it. Let's see, this pivot goes here. And then we said that the washer goes up against the blade on this side. All right. And then we've got some, let's do 10 weight nano oil right over here. So 1, 2, and 3. And the washer and the blade that we're gonna clean a little bit better, or like so. Yeah. All right. And by the way, look at how this has been sharpened. It's not like yeah, it's not ideal like that, but this is a budget knife, so we can yeah, we can say it's gonna be all right. So this can be here, okay. And then we are gonna use, so let's say that this guy goes here. Where are we gonna use this one? What do you guys think? So there seems to be like a track, like a bearing track on this one. So I would say this goes between the bearing and the washer. That's weird. I have honestly no clue, but yeah, let's see if this goes maybe here. It doesn't make any sense because here there's clearly the track which goes here. So actually let's see, yeah, no, it has to go like that. All right, let's hope, guys. Fingers crossed. Let's do some nano oil, 1, 2, and 3, and just a little bit on the detent ball, like so. And we've got everything in place. Just to keep it furthermore in place, let's just do like that. So surface tension should keep this washer in as we put this guy back, like so, right? So everything seems good to me, snaps in place. Okay, let's do a preliminary test for centering, which is off. Very good. So let's try just the pivot in to see if I did something wrong. Looks like to be going in a nicely centered knot. Okay, so let's see if it's centering with these 2 screws and with everything tightened up. So like that. Otherwise that washer will probably have to go on the other side, because it looks a little bit too much off center for my taste. Let's see, this guy is not spinning, this guy is pretty much a lot of blade play and a lot of uncentering, and the screw here is cranked all the way down. All right, so let's see. Let's go backwards like that, and let's just unscrew this guy. Maybe we're not gonna need another one. Of course we need this. It's gonna be from the back, like so. Come on. All right, this is out, and this guy also is out. All right, so let's pretend we didn't do anything. All right, so this guy goes here. All right, so let's see. I don't think that, yeah, this goes like that. So let's it's an interesting one, guys. It's a very interesting one. So I'm not sure where this washer came from. Oh, maybe it was for the pivot. Could it be like a washer here? Let's try. Let's see if it goes on the outside, because I honestly have zero clue. And look at this, I just missed another one. Oh guys, sorry for the mess, but it's good, which means that yeah, it's going, I think it's going on the inside, because there's two of these, so very, very interesting. So these are actually, I don't know, let's try one here. Let's try another here, because there's clearly something off. So let's try, so we said this was going up against the blade like that with the blade. Oops, we already have one here, so let's just do like this, and this guy was up against this, but then where it's gonna go? Can be in between? I don't think so. So has to be up against the blade. Huh. Wow, I never seen this design over here. Very, very interesting, guys. All right, let's do like that. Let's do a sandwich like this, but I'm not really confident about this. And this is gonna be like this. All right, and this is gonna be like here, and this guy is like here and here. So now we can see if this is gonna be centered. All right, with these washers in place. Let's just do like that. Okay, right. Okay, let's just see. Okay, yeah, guys, I guess we have it. Sorry about that. Now we know. Sneaky transparent washers. Let's see how's the action after this reassembly, purely by dictated by imagination and, I don't know, maybe poor logic. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if I messed it up. But it looks like the blade is perfectly centered. Yeah, maybe a little bit off to one side. Let me see if we can improve it. Oh yeah. And oh, guys, I actually think there's a little bit of blade play, something like that, and blade play is gone, but it's super stiff. But actually, guys, I think I kinda nailed it. Still a little bit of blade play. Now it's solid, but there's no drop shottiness. Let's just add a little bit more, a drop of nano oil on the detent, like that. But at least I'm happy that I didn't lose any piece. Okay, okay. Yeah, action feels a little bit better. Okay, let me see if these can be tightened a little bit more. No, no, a little. Okay, so this is pretty much tightened up and centered. That's okay, guys. There's a little bit of blade play still. So let me just, this is not spinning side, of course. Oh, let's keep it like this. Still a little bit. Okay. Now there's no blade play. But okay, okay. So there's no free fall, as you can see. So we didn't really improve the action. I guess that's about it. I mean, this is brand new, so probably it needs to break in a little bit more. Okay. Not really blade play, but you need still to wiggle this guy a little bit in order, you see, like it's not really dropping shot. So I don't think it's we can improve the action furthermore, guys. It's yeah, it doesn't feel so unless, yeah, we introduce some blade play like so. You see, you have it, but still, but then no, you can hear it, so that's not good. That is good. Okay, I guess this is the kind of like the sweet spot. So you see, it's slowly. Okay. I'm not 100% happy, guys, with this one. I thought I could have improved it a little bit. I'm gonna play with it around a little bit more, maybe hoping to break this guy in so we have a smoother action. But yeah, I think that's all for now. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.